Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm really excited because my fireplace is underway today. It's going to be finished. Well, not finished all the way. Got to get sanded down. Once all of the mud and drywall and everything goes on it, he's going to be doing the mud. I'm going to also have him fix the bathroom, the water room, and also my closet because I had a plug added in there. I think that's pretty much it. I look crazy. It's okay. Okay, because we're all in this together. Y'all like my big cup? It's from Target. It was on sale for a couple hours. I love it because I can fit all my my water in here. But y'all, that is what I'm gonna be doing today. I hope you guys stay tuned because this is like my first time working with this guy. I've never worked with him before, but I'm confident he's gonna do a really great job. I found him on Instagram. I literally searched Savannah contractors, Savannah drywall Savannah, Savannah workers, Savannah, and he just came up with one of his pictures. He ended up doing a whole framing in a house, and I thought he did a really great job, so I reached out to him. So a lot of you have been asking me how I find people. Trial and error. By the time you guys see it, I know it looks perfect, but I promise you, there's some days where I'm crying. There's some days where I'm like, F this, I don't want to do nothing else to the house. I'm done. And then, you know, I want what I want. So then I keep on a hunt. And then, you know, I give it a break. I go back to it. So my fireplace has been framed now for at least a month and a half for sure. And now, you know, it's getting done and stuff. So I had to just kind of walk away from it, come back. But I'm pretty much going to be sharing that whole process with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So
just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Way by the shoulder rest, what the cock'll do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place.
you guys, oh my gosh, all it needs now is to get sanded and painted. Let me just say that the only thing that I'm questioning now, which I really thought I had it in the bag, is if I want to have the trim wrap around or if I just wanted to finish off like this. I actually really like it like this. It seems as though it's a extension of the wall, so I do like it. But I know me too, I love crown molding, so I don't know, but I do love the overall finish and how it looks. It looks really, really clean. But I wasn't going to order my TV because it wasn't in the budget. Okay, the only thing that was in the budget was doing this, but I think I'm going to go ahead and get my TV. It's the same one that's in the loft, and honestly, all I'm going to do is listen to music anyway. But I love it. So there goes the fireplace. Do you guys remember when it was just tape? Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. I love it. Anywho, I'll leave the link for the fireplace down below. That way, if you guys are interested, you can see that. But I love how it just finished the full like this. It looks really good. I'm going to sleep on it. I have more than ample amount of time to figure out if I want the trim down there or if I want to leave it. But I think I feel like I want to leave it. I think once the paint goes on there, I'm going to want to leave it, right? I love it. Oh, he did such a good job. And then he also tackled my bathroom. Let me just show you guys real quick. So this is the trim in my, I guess you call it powder room, water room. I had a hole right here and I had a hole here. He patched that up. So everything is all fixed. I did clean the bathroom, but it's now dirty again with all the work and everything. Oh, he should have hit right there, them little spots too. I don't think he saw that. So that, oh, let me just give you guys a really quick tip. When you're painting, especially in new construction, because you are going to have a little bit of selling and cracking and all that, just go ahead and get some caulk and put in the corners. Like, so I'm going to caulk the corner, I'm going to caulk the corner over here and back there. That way you won't deal with that in the future. But I'm going to get a little bit of crown molding up here too. And then he fixed this because my electrician, the plug was up here, but then with the fireplace situation, he had to bring it down. I'm going to be using that particular outlet for my vacuum. And again, you can see the mess, which this right here is all of the inserts for the fireplace. I decided to do the driftwood instead of going more modern with the glass balls. So I love it. It looks amazing.
Why you want to do like that? Why you want to stop saying on me? Why you want to do like that? Won't you do up?
And my rug, oh my jeez, it looks so good. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Even though I look crazy, it's a vibe. Oh, you know what? I'm probably gonna have to do the base trim, but don't do the top because you see that? Yeah. So I'll do the base because I do want it to look super finished. So I'll do the base and probably the top. Oh, for those of you guys that are seeing the rug now, I don't have a rug pad underneath it. By the time I order my bed and I get my bed in here, I will have a pad, just to let you guys know. Even though the rug is a really great rug, it's always good for the life of the rug to just get a rug pad. That way it's going to be really nice and lush and thick. So I'm going to mop the floors tonight before I go to bed. But it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Listen, I'm gonna have my little cup of coffee and stuff and just be like this, like have the fireplace on, nestled from the fireplace. Be extra. Let me just put it out there now. I'm be extra. Be extra. Just be like, oh Lord, here she go. Oh, and I think the biggest thing too that I want to show you guys real quick is it is not even taking away anything from the room. Like, it's crazy. Look at this. Not taking anything from the room whatsoever. To think that blue tape was on this wall is crazy. Jeez, it looks so good. Alright, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Super excited for my master suite to come together. One of the things that I say when it comes to my master bedroom and like the vibe that I'm trying to create in here, I'm like, if I'm planning a vacation somewhere, and you know when you have to go through the hotel rooms and like look at like where you're about to stay and stuff like that, I'm like, I want to look online and think to myself like, why am I about to pay $500-600 for a hotel when my house is better? Not that I don't want a vacation. I do at some point whenever it's clear for us to travel. I do want to do that. But I don't want to pay for like a lavish vacation somewhere when I can create something really amazing in my house. You know what I'm saying? So that is what I want to share with you guys. Take your time. Don't rush. Enjoy the process, because every little thing that I'm putting into the house, I really thought everything through. I budget myself For some of you guys, I'm moving really fast, and then for some of you guys, I'm moving really slow. But the truth of the matter is I'm moving on my time, which I'm gonna say is pretty slow, because I know what's in my head, and everything that I have in my head can't just come out the way that I would like it to come out, you know. But I love the fireplace, and I'm gonna love sitting here talking to you guys, letting you know like how to get your house to look like my house. Well, not my house, but how to help you guys you know, get your house to look how you want it to look. My clients, when I start taking pictures, my mirror, like I really feel like it's about to be like a whole vibe. And you guys got to see this room when it was really bare bones. Carpet, just a plain window. I've done the picture box frames. I did the 5-inch base trim. The crown molding all got added in here. Changing out the paint color from flat to satin, decor elements, pillows, fabrics, textures, the rug. I'm loving it so much. I hope you guys are enjoying it. This is definitely my happy place, and it makes me extremely excited that I get to share this with you guys, because I know it inspires a lot of you to create something on your own in your home. So that is it for today. Let me move over so you guys can see the fireplace, because it's so